UV Nation, you're looking for something to keep you cool out there in the great outdoors. Also, you could use as a power bank, and also you could use as a lamp. Then I think you're going to stay tuned and check out this camping fan. All right, yo, Skippy, roll that intro. Okay, YouTube, this your boy Mark for Loose Cruising Views, back again another video. But you know how we do. Before we get started, let's get all that business and politicking out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Go ahead and subscribe. Alright, now that we got all that business and politicking out of the way, let's get to the video. UV Nation, this is your main man Mark, back again with another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at a camping fan that has all kind of features to it. But before we get started, can you do me a favor? Can you go down there and hit the subscribe button? It really helps the channel. Alright, we got that out of the way. Yeah, today we're going to be taking a look at a portable camping fan by a company called Zmirne or whatever. You know, I don't know where they come up with these names, but anyway, yeah, it's a camping fan that happens to be a not a Bluetooth. I done did so many Bluetooth speakers. It happens to be a camping lantern, fan, and a power bank all in one. And I'm telling you, these things come in handy in the summertime because the heat, man. Well, let me give you some of the specs for the spec junkie before we open this bad boy up. It's a oscillating, auto oscillating camping fan with a 20,000 mAh rechargeable battery in here. So like I said, you can use it as a power bank to charge up your phone if you're out there in the woods and your phone dies. Also, the battery lasts for about 60 hours. And I think that's going to depend on usage. They say it has real strong airflow, but we'll check that out. There's anti-drop and collision protection on here, so you won't, if you drop it, you won't break it. Let me see here. Let me see some charging times on here. It's got let's see here. Now I want to say it might be fast charging as well. All right, 16 hours has let's see, 1, 2, 3. I think it has 4 different speeds on here, and like I said, even the bright LED on here, and it oscillates either 90 degrees or 45 degrees, and you can pivot the head up to 270 degrees. All right, so let's get this bad boy out of the box. Like I said, I'm not no expert. I'm not the spec guy, whatever. I just want to get that specs out for the spec junkies out there. All right, let's go ahead and get this bad boy out of the box. Really, it's just a plain box. It has D12 on there. You've seen a million of these on Amazon. But let's go ahead and get this bad boy out of the box. See what we're working with. Right here, and we got the green colorway right here. Okay, had it plastic. I'm glad it is drop resistant because I just dropped it. All right, and trust me, I have a ton of these right here, and these things come in handy. All right. Let's see. You got the fan itself, and this is what it comes with. Comes with a charging cable, which is USB-C. I don't know if you're getting that, USB-C. All right. Put that to the side. You got your instruction booklet, which it's pretty much self-explanatory. But let me let you look at the fan. This is a pretty nice fan. And here are the controls right here. We'll get where you can really see the controls. You have your this is like for the infrared for the remote control, because it has a remote control as well. But it tells you right here, I don't know if you're seeing this, about the oscillating 90 to 45 degrees, and also it has the how much battery life you have on these LEDs. You have a night mode to turn off all these little LEDs on here. You have the oscillating mode. You touch it once, it oscillates, I think it's 90 degrees, and then touch it again, it just does 45. You got your fan power button on there, turn it off and on, and to switch to different modes. Your light button, and it has a timer. You can set a timer for up to 8 hours. Up to 8 hours. So all your controls right here. Here's your bright LED light, and like I said, it swivels up and down, backwards. Turn it. All right, and let's see here on the bottom, you got your hook, so you can hook it from your top of your tent if you're going camping, and it turns, so you can get it in the right position, and it clamps down like that. Also, you have your charging port right here. Open this up. You can here's your USB-C charging slot right here, and then you could use the USB-A to go ahead and charge up your devices. And I think it's fast charge, I'm not sure. Let's see, on this side, you have a slot for your flashlight. Got a little simple, easy to use remote control. Got your off button, power for your fan to go to higher speeds, and there's the lower speed button, light button, and you have your night button to turn off the LEDs on the light. And then you have your timer, and then you have your oscillate button, and you have cancel. Not sure what the cancel is for, but anyway. All right. Let's see here. Is that all? Yeah. Let's take this out of here so we can control it. Let's change angles real quick. All right. Turn it around. And here it is. So let me go ahead and let's see here. You can use the remote control. Turn it on. Does it have any juice? Might not have any juice. Nope. Okay, it has juice. Okay, yeah, it has juice. All right. So, okay, I was aiming in the right place. I don't know. So, man, let me turn up the highest speed. This is the highest speed. Pretty good. Let me see. It's blowing it. Matter of fact, let me get the wind meter out so you can see the wind meter. All right. Turn it on. All right. So you can see the speeds. Matter of fact, let me do it a different way where you can see it better. All right. Hope you're seeing that. That's the highest speed. Get it close to it. There you go. Off. Lowest speed. All right. Let's go to second. Third. Fourth. So yeah, it got some pretty good airflow on here. Pretty good airflow. Let's put that to the side. Let's check out the light button on here. All right. 2, 3, off. So looking like it's just 3 light modes. Do it again. Low, medium, high, off. All right, all right, all right. And remember what I said, that it has the night button on here. As you can see, let me turn this down a little bit. I'm turning it on. And you see this right here? You see all the LEDs lit up right here? So when you hit the night button on here, it turns all the LEDs off, so it won't bother you while you're sleeping, because some people don't like that. You turn it back on, the lights come back on. All right. Let's see the oscillating right here. Show you the oscillating right here. Let's see here. As you press on oscillate once, it'll go all the way to 90 degrees. All right. Watch it go to the other side. Now if I press it again, it's going to go to 45. So it's not going to go all the way over here. See, it caught it quick. Now I hit it again. Now I hit it, I turned it back on. Now it's going to go all the way over 90 degrees. So that's a pretty cool function right there. Let me see what this cancel button is about. Not sure what this cancel button is about, but I'm gonna do some more reading on it. Check it out. I say overall, this is a pretty decent fan, because I'm telling you, these work great. I mean, use it to charge your phone. Use it to, like I said, use it as a light. You know, a lantern out while you're camping. Put them on your porch. Put them in your shop. and they work pretty good. They're pretty good. Like I said, I have plenty of them. But I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box below where you get more detailed information on it. But like I said, it's in the lowest, it's not on the lowest setting. It's not that loud. And let me see. It's not really that loud on the highest settings. It's all right. So yeah. But this is a pretty decent fan. And you want to pause for a minute because the train comes through here. It's messing me up. But anyway, we'll come on with go ahead with the video so we can finish this video. But like I said, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box below where you get more detailed information on this camera fan. And trust me, these come in handy. Like I said, you hang it upside down, and you seeing it move. I mean, man, loaded with features at a decent price. So, yeah. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell that friend, tell a friend to subscribe so you can see more tech products like this. Like I said, this is tech for your outdoors and your camping, alright? Alright. Like I always say, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated, alright? Alright. Let's see here. Message for the day. Believe in yourself. Because if you don't believe in yourself, how do you expect others to believe in you? Alright? That's a message for the day. This has been your main man, Mark Flues, Gurus, and Views. Drop the mic, and I'm out. Peace. It's cold, it's hot, it's hot, it's hot.